Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very exciting video as I am partnering once again with Merit Beauty, so thank you so much to Merit. So as you all know, Black Friday is officially here, and with it there's a lot of sales going around, including the very one and only sale that happens over on Merit website. So I am very excited, not only because I'm partnering with Merit on this video, but also because in the past year or so, Merit has become one of my very favorite brands. And I say this because if you're familiar with my channel, you probably know that I like my makeup in a very natural, easy, glowy way. And that is, I feel like, literally what encapsulates Merit as a whole. It's gonna give you these products that are gonna be easy to apply. You can even use your fingers with literally most of the products. So they're easy to apply, they're easy to blend, they work beautifully on the skin, they give you this beautiful glow from within. And you're probably thinking, okay, that sounds like very beautiful to be true, and it really is. One of my favorite top products from the line is the highlighter. So that is, I think, if I really can bring it down to the favorite product that I have from the brand, I think it would be the highlighter. So that is going to be my #1 star in the brand, although all of the products that I've tried are really good. So I do mention this because I, of course, I'm also going to be shopping the sale. I'm going to be sharing with you in a minute what I'm going to be picking up. I've been obsessed with the lipsticks on top of everything else, but I do feel like I need a couple more lipsticks in my collection. This one is a brand new one. So we'll be talking a little bit more about the products, and I'll show you how I applied some of my favorites. Let's talk about the details of the sale. So it's going to run starting the 23rd, which is the day I'm uploading this video, all the way to the 28th of November. So you have some time to shop around. I do, of course, like I was mentioning earlier, have my cart ready to go, and you're gonna get 20% off all of the products, like single products. And I say single products because they also have sets. So sets are not going to be on discount, but keep an eye out because every single day they're gonna have different kind of like daily door busters. There you go. So on every day they're gonna have different sets on some kind of sale. So you should definitely go back to the website and check out if you're interested in any of the sets, but just all of the products throughout the entire website individually are going to be 20% off. There's no code needed, so you'll just like add whatever you need to your cart, whatever you want to your cart, and then automatically you'll get a 20% off. If it's your first time ordering from the Merit website, you do get for free the beautiful signature bag. This is such a beautiful makeup pouch. I love carrying my essentials with me, and it's honestly huge. So you can get a lot of things in there. So if you want to use it for makeup, that's great, but honestly, as a general little bag, it's very cute and it does fit a lot. Be sure to check the description box down below. I'm gonna be leaving a link. It is an affiliate link, so if you do shop through that link, I do make a small commission, so that's always very appreciated and it does help my channel a lot. I'm gonna be leaving all my favorite products, the shades that I use, and I'm gonna be showing you some of those favorite products in today's video. So I do already have all my makeup done. I have a couple of other videos that I've done regarding Merit and talking about Merit, so I'm also gonna be leaving them down below, so be sure to check those out. Let's move on now to talking a little bit more about my favorite products from the line. Although, like I was mentioning earlier, all of the products that I've tried from the line, I really do love. But the first one, it is, although it's the newest product in the line, it has just been the cherry on the top. It is a great, beautifully hydrating serum. I have been loving it. I've been using it both as a primer, like I did today, and also as a skincare. So my skin is really more normal to dry. Right now it's been very cold where I live, so I do get a lot of dry patches or dryness around this area. I've been using this before my moisturizer at night, and it just makes everything so much more softer, smoother, and the dryness definitely goes away. I've been really loving this product. I have used it also, like I was mentioning, as primer, and I've tried it with different foundations, and it just works beautifully. It does not peel, it doesn't like get all weird underneath makeup. It's just the perfect primer if you do wish to use it as a more makeup product. It's just great. It's not greasy at all. It's just, honestly, I feel like this is going to be one of their top products. It is really that good. I don't foresee if someone has more oily skin, this would not work for your skin, because honestly it just gives you a beautiful hydrated skin without being oily. Let's move on to the second product, which is another big favorite. It is hard to determine which one is my favorite when all of the ones that I'm mentioning today are like top products. So this is the highlighting balm, and I've got mine in the shade Cava. It is the most stunning, natural, super glowy highlighter that I've tried. It is probably, if I think about this, this might be my favorite highlighter out of the entire collection, like my makeup collection. And that's saying a lot. So this is the kind of makeup that I love. The natural, the glowing from within highlighter, that's like chef's kiss. The best of the best. Whenever you just kind of like turn your face around and that highlighter just peeks through and it's like, oh wow, she's like glowing just like a natural goddess. That's my kind of makeup. I'm gonna love you forever if you give me that beautiful glow. Just look at that face. Look at that beautiful glow. You guys, I'm telling you, I am obsessed with these products. But anyway, this is top of the tops. If you kind of like get anything out of this sale, make sure that you add the highlighter on your bag. There is, I believe, 2 different shades. Mine is Cava, but I'm pretty sure the other one is as beautiful as this one, just a different kind of shade, just depending on what kind of highlighters you prefer. Another favorite, we have the blush. So this is called the Cheek Color, and I've got this one specifically in the shade Cheeky. I do own another one called Mood, which is a more berry toned. Today, for this look, since I went for a more darker berry lip, I thought let's pair it with the lighter blush. So I do already have it on my cheeks, but I wanted to apply it again just to show you how good it performs on top of powders, because I already have, of course, a little bit of powder on my face, and I added the highlight. So I'm gonna just build up, and it's super easy. I just go directly into my cheeks, and look at how pretty that is. I know it doesn't look as pretty right now, but it's such a beautiful product, super versatile, and super easy to blend, as you just saw. It literally, I can do it with my finger, but I really don't want to feel like getting my fingers dirty right now. So just grab the brush, and then you get super beautiful flush cheeks. I really love it. It's probably one of my favorite products that I've been gravitating so much towards. Whenever I have that, I don't want to do my makeup today and I'm gonna do like a literally 3 product makeup, this is one of the ones that I have to have on my face. Such a good one. Let's talk lips now. So I do have 3 of the signature lipsticks, and honestly they have rapidly become one of my favorite lipsticks in my collection. They are super smooth, they go on like butter, they're very comfortable, lightweight. They almost feel like you're applying like a tinted lip balm. That's how comfortable they are on the lips. So I did get sent in a previous collaboration 2 of them, and I like them so much that I just need to keep buying them. And sorry, and the third one that I got is L'Avenue, which is what I have on my lips today. It is just the most beautiful fall lipstick. It has a little bit of red, a little bit of berry, a little bit of brown, super pretty lipstick, and I am just obsessed with this formula that I am picking up a couple more for myself on this sale. We'll talk about what I'm getting on my cart in a minute. But yeah, these are great lipsticks. If you're someone who doesn't particularly love to have like that feeling of a lipstick, or you don't like matte lips, you want something more natural, more easy to just, you know, throw on your lips, not even wear a mirror, like look in a mirror, these are the perfect lipstick to do. Let's finish up with the very last product that I want to mention today. These are the tinted lip oils. I do own 2 of them. Pink Beat, which is a beautiful everyday pink. You can tell by how much I use it. I carry it on my purse every single time I leave my house. It is my go-to lip oil or lip product to have on my bag. It's just a beautiful everyday pink that is going to just look pretty. I feel like with every single makeup look that I wear, that's why I like to carry it with me at all times, because first off, it's so hydrating, it feels very nice on the lips, but also the color, I feel like it's the perfect pink for me. And then we have Marrakech, which I'm gonna add a little bit of that today. I feel like it goes very well, or it's going to go very well with L'Avenue. How pretty is this lip oil? It gives a ton of glossiness to the lips, but at the same time being very hydrating and very comfortable, very lightweight. They just nailed it on these products. I am just obsessed with all of these products that I'm talking about. So now let's move on to my Black Friday list. So I have my cart ready to go. I did mention that I am obsessed with lipsticks, and I am gonna be picking 3 lipsticks that I'm missing. And I think after this 3, I'm just gonna be missing 1 more to have all of the lipsticks in my collection. The very first one, I'm gonna put in pictures up here, is going to be Fashion. This is the one that I was a little, I don't know, I was a little undecided, but then once I saw it on the models, oh my goodness, it is such a beautiful berry lip. And I feel like that's like the perfect cold weather lip. Like whenever you're actually naturally cold when you're going outside, I feel like this is just the perfect color. So Fashion is on my list. It is listed as a soft berry lipstick. The second one, which I am super excited about, is going to be 1990. This is the more brown lipstick in the collection. So a very 90s lip, obviously, with the name. I feel like it's gonna suit me very, very well, especially going for like a more natural look. I feel like this is going to be perfect for that. And then the very last one is going to be Slip. So this is the lightest out of all of the lipsticks they have, and this is going to be, again, I go back to the holidays. I'm thinking about like a smoky eye with this beautiful, very light shade. I think it's just gonna be so, so pretty. Okay, you guys, that's gonna be everything for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried anything from the Merit. If you're planning on getting anything, I would strongly recommend you do, because this is the one and only sale of the year. 20% off. It's a really good deal, so definitely take advantage of that. And be sure to use my code. It's gonna be right here on the screen, and also I'm gonna be leaving it in the description box down below with all the pricing, all of the products we talked about. So yeah, all of that good stuff down there. Be sure to subscribe before you leave, and if you like this kind of content, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!